Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths 1 once again, and today we are going to solve this question where it is asked to find the area of the square. Okay, so the area of the square is asked, and this is the square and this is the circle, and the distance between the square and the circle is given to be 4 meters. Now basically what are we going to do? Let us make an assumption. Okay, let us make this assumption that the diameter of the circle is 2r meters. Okay, let so this is the diameter. This one I am assuming to be 2r meters. Now if this is 2r meters, then this is the midpoint of the circle is somewhere here, then this one will become r meters, and this is also r meters. Now this cannot be r meters. Why? Because if I ask about this portion, then it has to be somewhere around r minus 4, right? So this is r minus 4, and if I asked you what is this distance, sorry, yes, if I ask you this distance, yes, if I ask you this distance, this will be r meters. Why? Because this 2r is divided into r and r, right? Similarly, there will also be another r this side joining this vertex of the square. This will also be r meters. Why? Because this is the radius distance basically. Okay, and this is r minus 4. Now this distance, if I am asking you, okay, the side of a square, how to find that one out? Now see, if you take a closer look at the question basically, so this portion basically, this portion, this is the side of a square, right? We are aware of it. So this one, this area, sorry, this length is 2r minus 4 meter. Okay, so if this is 2r minus 4 meter, this block is also 2r minus 4 meter. Let us write it down. Okay, so length of each side of the square is equal to r plus r minus 4. So it is basically 2r minus 4 meter. Now we know that a line, basically a perpendicular line, drawn from the center of a circle on a chord. This is a chord, right? This portion is a chord. This is a chord. So bisects it into two equal parts. So we are going to apply that same logic here. Okay, So see, we know that 2r minus 4 is the length of each side of the square. Now what will be the length? Suppose I am naming it. Okay, now I am naming it for our convenience. A, suppose this point is B, this point is C, this is D, this is E, and the center point, suppose let me name it as F. Okay, so FA and FC, let us write the given data. Okay, because that is going to help us. The given data are AF equal to FC equal to R meters, FP is equals to R minus 4 meters. Now if I want to find out the value of AC, AC is actually 2R minus 4 meters, which is equal to, suppose this point is named as G. Okay, then that will also be equal to BG. Now AC is equals to BG, so what will be the half of AC? Half of AC is basically AB, which is equal to BC, which is equal to BC. So this AB is equal to BC, and 2R minus 4 can be divided into R plus 2, sorry, R minus 2 and another R minus 2. So basically AC will be equal to BC, and it will be R minus 2 meters. So we are going to get these values as R minus 2 meters, and this as also R minus 2 meters. This is 90-degree angle. Okay, this is 90-degree angle. So now it is very easy. We are going to take up a triangle, right? We are going to take up a triangle. So for the time being, let us assume this triangle. Okay, triangle ABF. In triangle ABF, the hypotenuse is AF, so AF square will be equal to FB square plus BA square. Now AF is basically R, so it is R square, and FB is R minus 4, and BA is R minus 2. On expanding them, this will be R square plus 16 minus 8R, and this is going to be R square plus 4 minus 4R. Now if we take everything on one side, the final equation that comes out to be is R square minus 12R plus 20 equal to 0, right? Now on solving it, we are going to get two values, R minus 10 and R minus 2. It is a simultaneous, sorry, it is a quadratic equation. So R can be equal to 10 or R can be equal to 2. But if you see carefully in the picture, R minus 4 meter is mentioned. So here R is going to be a negative value, and distance cannot be negative. So we cannot take the value 2. So instead we are going to take the value 10. Now we are getting the value of R as 10 meters. So what will be the side of the cube, sorry, side of the square, the side of the square will be 2r minus 4. So 2 into 10 minus 4, which is equal to 16 meters. And if we are asked, so in the question we are asked to find out the area also. Okay, the area of the square is 16 square meter square, which is equal to 256 meters square. This is the answer. Thank you everyone.